Hello, let's learn the past simple tense together. When do we use the past simple? We use the past simple tense to talk about actions that happened and were completed in the past, actions that happened at a specific time in the past, and actions in a sequence of events in the past. Examples: completed action. I visited Barcelona last year. Specific time. She met her friends at 8 p.m. yesterday. Sequence of events. He woke up, got dressed, and went out. How to use the simple past. Let's see the positive structure. All the subjects take the past form of the verb. Subject, pronoun, plus the verb. Examples: he ate lunch an hour ago. My mom went to Istanbul last year. Now let's see the negative structure. All the subjects take didn't and the base form of the verb. Subject's pronoun plus didn't plus the verb. Examples: he didn't study math yesterday. I didn't go to school last week. Now let's move to question structure. We use did before the subject. The verb is in the base form. The structure is did plus subject's pronoun plus the verb in the base form. Examples: did you read a book yesterday? Did he go to bed late last night? Attention! In the English language, the verbs are divided into two. Regular verbs. Regular verbs form their past forms by adding d, ed, or ied to the base form. Irregular verbs. Irregular verbs do not follow a consistent pattern for their past forms. Each irregular verb has a unique past form. Let's look at regular verbs. How to spell the regular verbs. If the verb ends in a silent E, simply add D. For example, live becomes lived. Hate becomes hated. Bake becomes baked. Sentence example: Mom baked a pie yesterday. For most verbs, simply add ed. For example, talk becomes talked. Clean becomes cleaned. Watch becomes watched. Sentence example: she watched a film last night. If the verb ends in a consonant plus y, change the y to I and add ed. For example, cry becomes cried. Carry becomes carried. Study becomes studied. Sentence example: he studied English yesterday. Now let's move on to irregular verbs. Here's a list of some of the most common irregular verbs. Be becomes was or were. Begin, begun. Bite, bit. Break, broke. Bring, brought. Build, built. Buy, bought. Catch, caught. Come, came. Cut, cut. Do, did. Draw, drew. Drink, drank. Drive, drove. Eat, ate. Fall, fell. Feel, felt. Find, found. Fly, flew. get, got, give, gave, go, went, grow, grew, have, had, keep, kept, know, knew, leave, left. Now let's move on to time expressions. We usually use the following time expressions: yesterday, ago, last. Examples: my dad didn't go to work yesterday. I learned Spanish last year. We visited Barcelona 2 years ago. And that's it. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.